learn about number patterns. The alien is going to meet Raju and Bablu today with his flying saucer. Raju and Bablu were playing in the park when the alien also reached there. Raju and Bablu are very happy to see the alien. The alien told them that today he will take them to a unique world. But he has one condition. Raju and Bablu will have to solve 2 of his puzzles. Now Raju and Bablu accepted the condition of the alien.
Look, look, even numbers. Hey, but there are some numbers missing here. Can you find these numbers? This is your first puzzle.
The alien told Raju and Bablu. Children, can you help Raju and Bablu in filling the blanks?
Raju, do you see any rules in these numbers? Bablu, let's take a closer look at these numbers. Bablu, can you tell what is the difference in the number between 12 and 14? Yes, 2. And what is the difference between 14 and 16? Oh yes, Raju. The answer to this is also 2. Look, Bablu, I got the rule of these numbers. When 2 is added to each digit, the next digit is found. And Bablu, do you know, such groups of numbers in which numbers follow a particular rule, we call them number patterns. Hey, wow, Raju. This number pattern is so interesting. So, what do we have to do to get the next number in this number pattern? We have to add 2 to 16. Then, 2 added to 16 is 18. Bablu, now can you tell what will be the next number? Add 2 to 18 and you get 20. Raju, we have solved the first riddle.
Both Raju and Bablu started dancing. Children, do you see one more special thing in these numbers? Here, all the numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the unit position. Do you know that such numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 numbers at units place are called even numbers? Raju and Bablu completed this number pattern using the process of addition.
Well done! You two have solved it perfectly. Let's see if you can solve my next puzzle.
The alien now showed his second puzzle to Raju and Bablu.
Raju, this puzzle looks harder than the first puzzle. Yes, Bablu. Let's find a solution together.
Children, please also think what is the rule of this number pattern. If you wish, you can stop the video and think of the answer. Well done, children. You have got the right answer. What do we have to do to get the 95 from 97 here? Yes, we have to subtract 2 from 97. And what to do to get 93 from 95? Exactly. Once again, subtract 2. So, to get the next number in this number pattern, we need to subtract 2 from the number before it. Here is the rule of this number pattern. The next number in this number pattern will be 2 less than 93. And what will be its next number? 2 less than 91. In this way, our pattern is completed. Children, do you see something special in this pattern, like the pattern of even numbers? All numbers in this pattern have digits of 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the unit place. Such numbers which have digits of 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the one-digit place are called odd numbers. Raju and Bablu, like you, completed this number pattern by using the subtraction process.
Amazing! You both have found the solution to this puzzle perfectly. Let me take you on a spacewalk with me in my flying saucer.
Raju, Bablu and the alien set out to travel space in the flying saucer. Children, in this video, we learned about the number pattern. In the next video, we will learn about some more unique number patterns. Previous video, we learned about the number pattern. In this video, we will learn about some more unique number patterns. One day, Appu was fast asleep. In his dream came an angel. The angel said to Appu,
I will ask you some questions. If you answer them correctly, I will give you one special gift.
Appu became happy. The angel showed such a number pattern to Appu and said,
Complete this number pattern.
Appu started wondering how he could complete this number pattern. Children, can you help Appu in completing this number pattern? Let us find the rule of this number pattern. What would we do if we had to reach from 30 to 31? Exactly. We will add 1 to 30. And what do we have to do to get 33 from 31? Yes, we have to add 2. And finally, if we have to reach 36 from 33, what will we do? 3 will be added to 33. Children, you can see that the number being added every time is increasing by 1 to get the next number in this number pattern. So, what kind of pattern is this number pattern? Quite rightly, this number pattern is a growing pattern. So, what do we need to do now to pursue this number pattern? we have to add 4 to 36. This gives us what? 40. And what shall we do to get the next number? That's correct. Add 5 to 40. Adding 5 to 40, 45. Oh wow! We filled in the blanks of this increasing number pattern. Appu also filled in the blanks of this growing pattern using the process of addition like us. The angel became happy. She said to Appu,
Well done, Appu. Your answer is absolutely correct. Now, all you have to do is fill in the blanks of this number pattern, and then that gift will be yours.
Children, can you help Appu fill in the blanks of this number pattern? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. What do we have to do to get 98 from 100? Yes, we have to subtract 2 from it. And what will we do to reach 95 from 98? We will subtract 3 points from 98. Now, what do we have to do to get 91 from 95? Alright, we have to deduct 4 from 95. Children, here you can see that the number being subtracted every time is increasing by 1 to get the next number. So, the next number in this pattern will be 5 lower than 91 or 86. And what shall we do to get the next number? That's correct. Minus 6. That is 80. Appu also used subtraction process like us to fill in the blanks of this number pattern correctly. Children, if you look at the first and second pattern asked by the angel, you will find that the numbers in the first number pattern are increasing and the numbers in the second number pattern are decreasing. And kids, do you know another interesting thing? If you look at these number patterns carefully and see the number patterns learned in the previous video, you will find that the number being added or subtracted in the number pattern of the previous video was always the same, while the numbers we saw in this video are different. The numbers to be added or subtracted each time. The angel said to Appu,
Well done, Appu. This answer of yours is also right. When you wake up in the morning, you will get your gift at your bedside.
Saying this, the angel disappeared from Appu's dream. When Appu awoke from sleep in the morning, he saw that there was some golden coins in a bundle at his bedside. Appu started dancing happily. In this video, we learnt about some more unique number patterns. In the next video, we will learn more about the number pattern by some interesting examples. the last video, we learnt about some unique number patterns. In this video, we will learn to make number patterns using some more mathematical operations. Today, a unique game is being played in Champapur. Meenu and Bhola have taken part in this game. In the game, both of them have to complete the number pattern. The one who completes the number pattern correctly first will get 10 points. The game's organizer, Babban, showed them both these number patterns. Bhola and Meenu were shocked to see that number pattern. Both told Babban,
There is no pattern in this. Are you joking, Babbanji? There is no pattern in this. Are you joking, Babbanji?
Babban laughed and said, No, this is a number pattern. Look carefully. Bhola and Meenu started to complete the number pattern. Children, do you understand the rule of this number pattern? Let us see what is unique in this number pattern. First, we will look at the first two numbers of this number pattern. How do we get 28 from 22? Exactly, by adding 6. And what do we have to do to get 21 from 28? Yes, we have to subtract 7 digits from 28. Have you got any rules so far? No? No problem. Let us look at the next number. What will we do to get 27 from 21? We will add 6 digits to 21. And how do we get 20 from 27? 7 is subtracted from 27. Children, do you now understand the unique rule of this number pattern? Well, you are thinking right. This number pattern is being carried forward by adding 6 once and subtracting 7 the second time. So, what do we have to do to fill this blank space now? That's correct. We have to add 6 to 20. What will it be? 26. And now what do we have to do to fill these other spaces? Yes, we have to subtract 7 out of 26. 7 less than 26? 19. Here we completed this number pattern perfectly by using the process of addition and subtraction. Meenu excitedly said,
I have found another rule of this number pattern. If you look at the numbers written at odd places of this number pattern, you will find that the numbers written at these places are 1 less than the numbers coming before them. 1 is subtracted, as the number written in the first place is 22 and the number written in the third place is 1 less than that, 21. So, what do we have to do to get the number written in the 7th place?
Meenu asked the audience.
That's correct. 1 has to be subtracted from 20. In this way, the number of the 7th place will be 19. Now, I looked at the numbers written at even number places and found that these numbers are also found to be subtracted by 1, like the numbers written at odd number places.
Children, can you tell what number will be in the 6th place? Exactly! In 6th place is 26, 1 less than 27. In this way, Meenu won the round by winning 10 points. Children, do you see the difference between the first rule used to solve this number pattern and the number patterns seen in the previous video? Yes, in the number patterns seen in the previous video, we were using only one rule of either addition or subtraction. But in this number pattern, we are using both addition and subtraction processes. Now Babban showed the contestants the second number pattern. Babban said, "You have to find the rule of this number pattern. Whoever finds it first will get 10 points. Meenu tried to use the addition process.
In this pattern, no rules can be made using the process of addition because different numbers are being added each time.
Bhola tried to use the subtraction process.
Here the numbers are in increasing order, so I can't use subtraction here.
Bhola and Meenu were in deep thought. Children, can you find the rule of this number pattern? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. The first number here is 4 and the next number is 40. If we use the process of multiplication, we will find what we need to do to get the number from 4 to 40. Exactly! We have to multiply 4 by 10. Let us now look at the next number, 400. What do we have to do to get a number from 40 to 400? Yes, 40 has to be multiplied by 10 once again. Oh wow, children! We have found the rule of this number pattern. To get the next number here, we are multiplying the number before it by 10. This time, Bhola correctly identified the rule of number pattern and won 10 points. Meenu and Bhola have scored equal points. Babban declared both Bhola and Meenu the winner of the competition and gave them the winning trophy. Everyone in the audience is clapping. Bhola and Meenu are happily dancing. Children, in this video, we learned to make number patterns by using some more mathematical operations.
Children, do you remember the number patterns learnt in lesson 2? Come, in this new lesson, let's learn more